With the alkaline water market expected to grow at an astounding rate, what's behind this trend? Are consumers making informed choices or falling for marketing tricks? Let's find out. Welcome to Holistic Halo Vibes. Today, we'll dive deep into the trending topic of alkaline water. From knowing what it is to its potential benefits and drawbacks, from the research available to debunking the myths surrounding this buzzword, we have it all covered. We promise to provide you with all relevant information to help you make informed choices and not fall for marketing gimmicks. Stay tuned as we share a few tips on ways to make alkaline water in your kitchen. You don't want to miss out on this. Stay glued. On a pH scale, potential of hydrogen, of 0 to 14, the concentration of hydrogen ions in the fluid determines if it is acidic or alkaline. 0 being extremely acidic, while 14 being extremely alkaline. Our regular drinking water has a pH of 6.5 to 7.5, and alkaline water has a pH of 8 to 9. In just a few years, the market has skyrocketed, with sales crossing $1.3 billion in 2023, up from less than $95 million in 2015. This dramatic increase indicates its growing popularity. Alkaline water has gained traction not only because of its perceived benefits, but also due to effective marketing strategies, including celebrity endorsements and social media campaigns that have contributed to its popularity and has been a hot topic among health enthusiasts. The idea is that by drinking water with a higher pH, you can balance the acidity in your body, slows aging, and prevents chronic diseases and even cancer. But are these claims true and backed by science? Let's find out. Before we dive into the science behind alkaline water, let's get some facts right. Our body fluids have specific pH levels crucial for maintaining balance and ensuring optimal function. Our blood pH ranges from 7.35 to 7.45, thus making it slightly alkaline. On the other hand, our stomach pH is 1.5 to 3, making it extremely acidic, which is essential for digestion and fighting pathogens. Our body has this incredible mechanism to help stabilize any fluctuations in the pH value. Is alkaline water naturally present? Well, the spring water that flows down the rocks is naturally alkaline. The alkaline minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium that are absorbed make the water alkaline. Artificially alkaline water is manufactured by a process called electrolysis. For water to be called alkaline, it must have alkaline minerals like calcium and magnesium and have a negative ORP value. ORP refers to the oxidation reduction potential, which is the ability of water to act as an antioxidant. 6 potential benefits of alkaline water. First, a study shows alkaline water improves hydration, particularly post-intense workouts. It improved the efficiency of blood flow through the blood vessels, post-workout as compared to when they had regular water. The same study also highlights the potential of alkaline water for quicker recovery post-workout. Second, it contains minerals such as calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are beneficial for health. These minerals contribute to overall dietary intake and may support various functions, including bone and muscle health. Third, a recent study showed alkaline water helped improve bone density in postmenopausal women with osteoporosis. Fourth, a study on mice showed alkaline water helped reduce the symptoms of non-alcoholic fatty liver. Fifth, another animal study indicated alkaline water had the potential to improve aging at the molecular level, thereby highlighting its potential anti-aging properties. Finally, at 6th, another study found that alkaline water with a pH of 8.8 can help deactivate pepsin, an enzyme related to acid reflux, thereby making alkaline water beneficial for those suffering from acid reflux or GERD. It's important to note that all these studies are at a nascent stage. Extensive human research is needed to conclude any findings. Let's now discuss 3 common myths that I'm sure you have heard of. First up, alkaline water balances blood pH. This is not true, as in reality, the lungs and kidneys maintain the blood pH and no external factors can affect the blood pH. Next, all alkaline water is the same. In reality, the alkalinity and mineral content can vary significantly among different brands and sources. Finally, at 3, alkaline water prevents cancer. Though cancer indeed thrives in an acidic environment, there is no evidence to prove that alkaline water can prevent cancer. So what are the drawbacks? Drinking slightly alkaline water is considered safe. However, drinking large quantities can cause digestive issues like bloating and belching, as high concentration of alkaline water can dilute the gastric acids. Also, those with kidney issues should avoid drinking alkaline water, as it may cause further kidney issues due to calcium in the water. Well, if you are excited to try alkaline water but hesitant to shell out those bucks, adding ingredients like baking soda, lemon, cucumber, or pH drops to water can help make it alkaline. However, do consult your doctor for further guidance. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key points we discussed today. Alkaline water has gained popularity due to its high pH and minerals, making it a hot topic. A few studies available have shown positive results. However, it's too soon to conclude its use as an alternative treatment for acid reflux or osteoporosis. Alkaline water may be beneficial, however, a balanced diet and exercise should not be ignored. If you found this video helpful, do share it with your family and friends. Like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Halo Vibes.